Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use our Zipscheduler plugin very easily. First of all, you need to fill a form on our website. After that, you will get a plugin. You can add a new plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Click on upload plugin and upload your file here. Just download your file. Once you download and activate your plugin, you can see the Zipscheduler menu here, and also your booking confirmation page and Zip booking page is already created. Now you have to set up step by step. First of all, this is your bookings area where your each booking will come. This is the area from where you can add your zip codes. Before that, you need to do some of the settings, like you have to put your email address, company name, and booking page and confirmation page is already set up. If you want to change them, you can change them from here. You can change your colors from here. If you want to enable pricing, you can enable pricing here, but please remember that with this plugin you can't accept the payments, you just show the pricing. And if you enable the pricing, you can change your currency. And in pricing there are two options, showing three plans or only one plan. These are the checkbox label that will come on your form. You can customize them also. After doing it, you can save your changes here. And this is the area where you can add your coupons. Like I can add deal 10%, and my expiry will be 31st of December. Like this, you can save your details here. On the booking confirmation page, there is an area for FAQ where you can add your FAQ like this. And from form fields area, you can add more fields on your form like this. You can add special instructions. Okay, so we'll change it. Because this field is already present. So our instruction is created, and this with all of the validation also, so that no same fields will be created. Now you can edit your email template for customer here and for the admin here. This is the main area from where you can add one zip code or more than one zip code. Like for example, I can add zip code here 1000 like this. My services are starting from the 1st December 2025 to 2027. Slot duration is 45 minutes, and I can add a buffer time of 15 minutes also. You can add start and end time here. From here you can add how many bookings you can get per day and per time slot. Okay, you can take your day offs, and if you are using three packages, you can add three packages data here for pricing. Okay, so now two of my zip codes are added. Now you can edit them from here also. And now we have a short code. So you can go here, create your page, add a short code on any page. You can add this short code. Okay, this is a zip code search short code. So after putting short code on any page that you wanted, home page or any page, booking page, you can get this type of widget, and your customer can easily search a zip code where you are giving service or not. They can search, for example, this short code, and this is not available, so it will show them error. After checking it, if the short code is correct, new page will be open, and from here they can select the date for their service, and after that they can see the timing, 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. for example. And after the confirm booking, they can select their package, and if they have the promo code, they can use their. Okay, so promo code is also applied. After that, they can just put the random address. This is the additional information area and instructions that we created a while ago. You can add those labels also, and now you can add your booking.